Hey everybody, what's going on? It is Sully. We are back on board the Backcove 390, and we are getting more things accomplished here. TJ and the team have been hard at work on this one. As you can see, we've gone ahead, we're working on the hardtop. We are getting the VHF antenna stalls. Those are a pair of the digital 8-foot VHF antennas. They're on the Lily ratcheting mount. As you can see, TJ knocked this thing out super quick, getting everything installed. So we've got a pair of matching 8-foot antennas on either side there. And then we've also gone ahead right there, we've got the Lumitech Razor light bar. This particular light bar is the floodlight, not the spotlight. So we're gonna give a really nice light spread on it. And again, we've pushed that far enough back on the hardtop right there so that it's not gonna wash out up onto the deck and make you go snowblind from that. That light will go in unison and work together with, what's not up there yet, but on the mast, a FLIR M300-C. So, you know, here at Navtronics, we're really big fans of that 300-C. It's a really great camera, and adding this light will help on those really like low light, no background light, no visible light nights coming in. That's just gonna give us that little extra bit of situational awareness of what's going on out there. Speaking of being able to see what's going on out there, let's take a look down here and see what they've got going on in the helm and what's getting done inside there. Let's go check it out. All right, so while we are on board at the helm, you can see a lot of stuff has been going on here. TJ still has another display to install. We got some more wire to pull, fuses to put in place, network to finish connecting up, things like that. But we do have the first 16-inch display in. We've gone ahead, we've done a software update on that, and we can see that this is a different view for the Garmin software. We're gonna have more info on that here real soon on a Sundays with Sully. So that is gone in there. The card reader has been installed right there. And our Vesper Cortex, let's see if you can see it. There we go. Our Vesper Cortex VHF radio has been installed. Look behind me in the overhead here. And over somewhere, let me get my head out of the way, there, we have the Fusion Signature Series speakers installed. Those are also installed in the aft cockpit area. We've also got a pair going in up front with its own Fusion Apollo amp. And then we have our Fusion Apollo stereo upgrade happening as well. So there's a lot of stuff getting done on here. As we take a quick walk back, you can see we still have wires hanging down. This is for the mast install. So what we've got going on here, if we take a look, you can see we've got things, everything's labeled like this is the radar, radar power, then we've got, you know, nav lights, we've got our VHF cables. Everything is nicely labeled right here, you know, radar, FLIR with the PoE blocker on it. So everything's easy to put back together. So if we're not the ones working on it, you're gonna go to your yard, you're gonna have your mast removed or have anybody else remove it. Everything is labeled and color-coded, so it's really simple, really easy. We try to keep that in mind that somebody else is going to be working on this down the road. Let's make this as easy and successful as possible. So that's everything going on in here. Let's take a look down there and see what is going on with the Siren and the Macris Industries lighting. All right, so we are back down in the aft storage space on this Backcove. And this is where Stu was actually hard at work doing the Siren Marine install. And you also saw us drilling a bunch of holes in the transom, pulling all the wires through for that Macris Industries Chroma lighting. So let's show you guys what all was done in there. Like I said, we have the Siren Marine, as you can see right there, but right next to it, that is our Macris Industries Chroma Light controller. And then as you see beside it over here, we've got all of our power and negative fused, everything's labeled. Everything is really easy to get at and service and well labeled, being a well thought out design. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the app on the phone and let's see if this works. So we come over here and we select an SP105E, and then we come in here, we turn it on, and we choose a static color of red, and look at that. Lo and behold, we're red. So come over here and choose blue, green. So I'm sure you're kind of looking at that going, well, what's the big deal and all of that, right? We've got different colors. Well, as we talked about, we've got lighting effects. So what's going to happen is I'm going to jump down. We're going to try and get this on film as best we can and kind of show you what this lighting effect and what it looks like on board this boat. Like I said, definitely stay tuned, because this spring, when this thing hits the water, we're going to get some really awesome nighttime footage of this boat. We can't wait to show you. But in the meantime, hop out there and see what's going on. All right, so check it out. We are now down here, and we can start to see our Chroma lights here on the side. We've got them obviously in our static color. Remember, we have a total of 6 of these installed wrapping around the boat, and it's all controlled from this app right here. So if we take a look on this app, I've got my color wheel, and I can go ahead and I can change to my different colors. Now, obviously, I've got this dimmed down quite a bit just for camera's sake, so you can kind of really see what's going on here. Now, having the RGB lights, that's nothing really new in the underwater lighting industry. This is what we were talking about when we started talking about the effect. If I pull this app up here and I select from the arrow right here, now you start to see how our colors are starting to wrap around the boat. And we've got 200 different presets here, and we can have these lights go in, you know, either direction, any color, and we can mix that up. And the other nice thing that we can do with this effect right here, let's see if I can show this properly. We can speed that up right here. So we've got the ability to really make a really flashy, different light show out there as I crank this thing up. You'll see we can really go full discotheque, full Miami with these lights, or we can tone them all the way down here with the speed, and just like that, we can tone them right back down. We have the ability to change our colors with our color wheel on the app. So that's it. That is Macris Industries Chroma underwater lighting. Like I said, be sure to stay tuned, guys. Come this spring when the boat hits the water, we'll get it in, we'll throw the drone up, we'll get you guys some nighttime shots and really show you what these lights are about on this boat. So we're in the home stretch of getting this thing all wrapped up. The guy's got another, you know, I don't know, day and a half probably of work. Once it's all done and wrapped up, we'll give you a complete and total walkthrough of the boat and everything that's been done. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever it is about a Backcove 390 or any of our other installs that we have going on, down below in the comments. As always, you know the spiel. Give us a follow. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Navtronics, all that good stuff. Till next time, guys. Peace.